Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2 3 4 5. And good afternoon, everyone. I'm SWKS Chief Dan McLeod, and this is a winter weather update for today, January the 3rd, 2025. We do have our first winter storm of the season that is impending across the area. Uh, we do have two winter storm watches that is in effect for the SWKSS region at this time, and we'll go over those here momentarily. We've also issued a SWKSS winter weather alert, and we'll go over that as well. Overall, what has changed? Um, Models have trended further south of the track of the storm, so that means that uh, we, as far as southern Kentucky now, as yesterday was out of the major part of the storm, now we are back into the major precipitation of the storm because the storm itself has tracked further to the south. Remember, I said the other day we didn't know how it was going to track, and the difference between 40 to 50 miles will make a big difference. It looks like that model, as the models get closer now, as we get closer into it, looks like it's trying to trend back to the south. So let's jump into our update here. Um, okay, so first of all, again, we've issued the winter weather alert. That is winter weather alert number one for 2025. Issued yesterday at 4:54 p.m. It's going to remain in effect from 12 a.m. Sunday the 5th to 12 a.m. Tuesday the 7th, 2025. Uh, Again, when a SWKSS winter weather alert has been issued, it means that a dangerous winter storm is likely and there could be a danger to life and or property and threatening conditions, as well as power outages. Road conditions are expected to become very treacherous. Travel could become impossible. Give a watch on our main Facebook page for other information. All right, Winter Storm Watch number one of two. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued Winter Storm Watch uh, number one for the following SWKSS counties: Crittenden, Union, Webster, Hopkins, Henderson, McLean, and Muhlenberg from 12 a.m. Sunday through Monday at 12 p.m. What heavy precipitation is possible? Total snow and ice accumulations of 4 inches or more uh, of snow and ice. 1/4 of an inch of ice is also possible or more. Power outages and tree damages due to the ice accumulation is possible. Travel could become nearly impossible. Hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Winter Storm Watch number two of two. National Weather Service Office in Paducah has issued Winter Storm Watch number two. Uh, the Winter Storm Watch has been issued. Again, from yesterday is still in effect that I just went over. This is a new watch with counties added and updated. This is for the following counties: Ballard, McCracken, Livingston, Marshall, Crittenden, Lyon, Trigg, Caldwell, Union, Webster, Hopkins, Christian, Henderson, McLean, Muhlenberg, and Todd. Heavy precipitation is possible. Total snow and ice accumulations of 4 inches are possible, and ice accumulations to 1/4 of an inch or more is possible. Impacts expect power outages due to the ice accumulation, uh, tree damage as well. Travel impact could become impossible. Hazard conditions are likely to impact the Monday morning commute. So, with that said, let's get over to our models and see what is going on with all of this. Here we go. Let me move this over to the other side out of the way. Maybe. Here we go. So this is the 12Z run for Friday. The 18Z today for the GFS is about 53% complete, so not completed yet in the modeling. So we'll see. We'll check it out before we get done here. So this is 12 a.m. on the 12Z last update. It was fully completed by the GFS for 12 a.m. on the 5th. This is 3 a.m. on the 5th. We're got mixed bag across most of all of our region. And you see where the models have trended further to the south. You got precipitation across all of the region now. Freezing rain, heavy freezing rain. It looks like from the Cadiz area over through the Hopkinsville area, Todd County. A mixed bag over here. Northern part of Graves County up through the McCracken County area. Let's progress it through to 9 a.m. on the 5th. Still same situation. We transition back over to regular rain at 6 p.m. according to what this is showing right now. But again, I don't know what that next model is showing just yet. And then we got a snow line that comes through on the back side of things. There'll be some moderate to heavy snowfall. On the 6th, we still got light snow, moderate snow falling area wide. So we got there Cadiz at 6 p.m. on the 6th. And it's out of here. Now, there is another system about the 10th. You're going to start hearing about that probably on social media here pretty soon as well. It's far too early to talk about it, really. But if y'all want to look at it, we can take a look at it now what this model shows. Let me go down here. Well, first of all, let's get our totals of what this is giving us right now. Okay, let me go back down here. You know, this is still a learning process of learning this thing. So let's go to freezing rain accumulation. This is, you see, there's a sharp gradient right there. Northern Tree County, you're picking up 0.19 of an inch. You come further down under Tree County, and you're going back down to 0.7. So a big gradient difference. Paducah, you guys are getting quite a bit over through Calvert, northern part of Lyon County, Caldwell County, through the Madisonville area. That's going to be the main area to watch. However, I do think if this continues to trend further southward, this line's going to move. This line right here could end up being somewhere right there, maybe. And then this will be further to the south in our Tennessee counties. I don't know that, but according to the way the trends are going, that is possible. Let's take a look at our snowfall accumulation. This is the 10-to-1 ratio, which is not exact. So, according to this model, about a dusting of snowfall is possible in the Tree County area. You're going to go back up to about an inch. A dusting to an inch, probably area wide. That's what we're looking at right now. But again, that could trend higher with the model trends trending further to the south. Okay, so let's take a look at our storm, our next system, if y'all want to. Okay, this is 3 a.m. on the 10th, and this storm is moving in. 9 a.m., we're getting started. This is all snow with this system on the 10th. Why does my radar keep doing that? Okay, this is 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. on the 10th. And this is good moderate to heavy snowfall across the entire area. And it's out of here by 12 a.m. on the 11th. Let's take a look at our 10-to-1 ratio snowfall for that system. So it looks like 3.7 inches, 3 inches, 2.9 north of Hopkinsville. You get up toward the Eddyville area, 3.6 inches. Princeton, 3.7. Madisonville, 4.1 inches. So it will vary. Again, this is a model. This is not actually what's going to take place. Let's go back up here to our current storm. And let's look at temperatures. So this is the 8th at 6 a.m. We are 16 degrees in Tree County. Over toward the Paducah area, 14.3, and it is a sharp gradient cut off north of Paducah there across the river at 9.2 degrees. Again, this is a model. This is not necessarily, doesn't believe in lines on the radar of what can actually take place. 5.4 degrees north of Madisonville there at 6 a.m. on the 8th. Three p.m. on the 8th, 26 degrees. So it is going to get very cold across our region through all of this. And you go down to the 9th or the 11th, that next storm comes through, and it's not going anywhere. We're about 20 degrees at 6 p.m. on the 11th, and it stayed below freezing through that whole time frame. So whatever falls with either system, I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. So that might be a good thing for the kiddos as they get ready to head off to school back next week with Christmas break and New Year's break ending across the area. Might be a good thing because the kids are still hear of a lot of sickness going on around the area, so maybe that'll keep everybody well, get everybody back to school whenever things finally thaw out. So again, I want you to check back with our snowman report each day. We'll have that out for closings, cancellations, and delays, and also be mindful to come back and check for that. We're doing live streams. I'll try to put a schedule out when I get ready to do those, and we'll do the live stream for the snowman report and give you all the latest information that we have on that list. 6 a.m. every day on a weekday. If we don't have a decision by then, we will not add it to our list. That will be our last update for that day. So, with that said, as of right now, bottom line with this, I know you're getting a lot of different information from different sources, social media, TV, weather service, and everybody's kind of flip-flopping around right now. Nobody acts like that they know what's going on, and we really don't. But the models right now that are telling us is that it's trending further. The storm track itself is trending further to the south, so that could mean that more of Kentucky, possibly our Tennessee counties, can get more in on the winter precipitation with this system than we were originally thinking the last day or so. So with that said, we'll end the update for today, or for tonight rather. I might do another live later this evening, or I might wait till in the morning. It's another live update. Because right now we're still, the latest update coming in is just 64% complete. So that's for the 18Z. But if there is any major changes with the 18Z, I will come back on live and we'll talk about it. But as of right now, it stands as is. Bottom line, storm is trending further to the south, more on the line of winter precipitation across the entire region. So thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe, and we will be back live as needed for this event and snowman reports as needed as well. This has been an SWKSS Winter Weather Update live stream. Don't forget to come back and check the SWKSS snowman reports for delays, closures, and cancellations. This has been an SWKSS Winter Weather Update live stream. Don't forget to come back and check the SWKSS snowman reports for delays, closures, and cancellations. Don't see your closing or delays on our list. Message us here on Facebook. Thanks for watching.